Welcome back everybody, I'm Miss Anna. How do you feel today? Yeah, today I'm very happy to see you again. In this video, we are going to learn about the digits and number. To start our lesson, let me tell you a story about the prince of mathematics. Do you know who we are talking about? He is a very famous mathematician, Johann Carl Friedrich Gauss. The story told us Gauss was intelligent and good at math from a very young age. And he added a lot of questions. One of his teachers began to be annoyed with Gauss because he answered every question very fast without thinking. One day, he wanted to challenge and defy him with a very hard problem. What is the total of the number from 1 to 100? Do you want to try to answer this question? How long does it take you? And you get what? After 5 minutes of thinking, Gauss got his answer. It is 5050. That makes a teacher surprised because it was a correct answer. Can you get how he did it? This is what Gauss did. He noted that 1 plus 100 equals 101, 2 plus 99 equals 101, 3 plus 98 also equals 101, and so on. The question is how many pairs of numbers are there? From 1 to 100, there are 100 numbers. Two numbers make a pair, so there are 100 divided by 2 equal 50 pairs of numbers. Hence, the total of numbers from 1 to 100 is 101 times 50. That is how he did. Okay. Now, I will give you two useful formulas to solve this kind of problems. The two only work for arithmetic sequence. Remember that from the idea of Gauss. First, we have to know how many numbers there are. It equals the difference between the last term and the first term divided by the common difference, then plus 1. Then to find the total, we have to multiply the sum of the first term and the last term by the number of pairs, which is the number of terms divided by 2. Okay. Let's apply the formula to solve following example. Part A. How many numbers from 1 to 50 are multiple of 5? Part B. Find the sum of those numbers. First of all, let's list out all multiples of 5 from 1 to 100. Multiples of 5 are numbers that can be divided by 5. So they are 5, 10, and so on to 50. How many numbers are there in the sequence? Apply the first formula, we get the last term is 50, the first term is 5, and the common difference is 5. Hence, the group of 50 minus 5 divided by 5 plus 1 equals 10. There are 10 numbers which are multiples of 5. For the section B, we have to find the sum of all numbers, so we have to apply the second formula. The first term is 5, the last term is 50, and the number of terms is 10, which we just find out from the section A. Hence, we get the group of 50 plus 5 times 10 divided by 2 equals 225. The sum of the above multiple is 225. So, students, let's do one more example. How many digits are there used to divide the number from 1 to 120? This one is finding the number of digits problem. Firstly, let me recall what is a digit. A digit is a single numerical symbol from 1 to 9, especially when forming part of a number. For example, number 52 has two digits, 5 and 2. Now, the question is how many two-digit numbers are there? Let's add all numbers, we get the sequence 10, 11, and so on to 99. To find the number of terms of the arithmetic sequence, we have to apply the first formula. So we have the group of 99 minus 10 divided it by 1 plus 1 equal 90. There are 92 digits number. So how many digits did we use? We have to do multiplication. 90 times 2 equal 180. So there are 180 digits from 10 to 99. In the same way, can you answer the next two questions? How many digits are there from 1 to 9? Next, how many digits are there from 100 to 120? For the first question, read out all possible numbers. We get 9 one-digit number, so we use 9 digits. Similarly, there are 63 digits for the number from 100 to 120. And for the example 2, we get the full solution as follows. From 1 to 9, we use 9 digits. From 10 to 99, we use 180 digits. From 100 to 120, we use 63 digits. The number of digits we use is 9 plus 180 plus 63 equal 252 digits. The answer is 252 digits. After example 2, do you know how to solve finding the number of digits problem now? Let me summarize it for you. Step 1, classify number based on the number of digits. Step 2, in each group of number, find the number of numbers. In next step, you have to find the number of digits in each group. And final, find the total number of digits. The example 3 is a bit different from the two above examples. Let's see how many times the digits 1 appear in number from 1 to 59. For this kind of problem, we will make a list method. How many digits 1 is one place are there? The digit 1 is one place of 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, and 51. So the digits 1 appear 5 times. Next, how many digits 1 in 10th place are there? The digits 1 in 10th place of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So the digits 1 appear 5 times more. And in total, digits 1 appear 50 times. For this problem, we don't classify numbers based on the number of digits, but on the place value. Okay, students, that is all for the lesson today. What did we learn today? Yeah, today we learned about two formulas from arithmetic sequence. One is for finding the number of terms. Another is for finding the sum of terms. After that, we apply the first formula to solve finding the number of digits problem. And finally, we learned about how to find the number of times one digit appears. And as always, remember to work on the exercise for this session. Goodbye and see you in the next video.